What's up, guys? So I was making slime last night, and so I look at the slime, and it wasn't as pretty. This is what slime happens when you leave it outside overnight, and it is disgusting. But I was making it with my brother. Here was mine. I made mine. He gave me this little glue bottle while he got that big glue bottle. And so then I look at the slime. I'm like, oh, this doesn't look so bad. I touch it. It's disgusting. So now I'm poking it with the spoon. This isn't the spoon I use. Okay, so look. Oh. Okay, now my brother's is better when I do it. Look at that. Okay, ready? The brightness.
Let's go. I'm leaving. I can't wait for you.
I hate brightness. My camera stinks. And then look at that. Just look. It's disgusting. It's like furry. And now I'm disgusted. So that's what happens when slime is left overnight. Like and subscribe. Huh?